So what are the options for banks if they want to simplify and modernize their core IT infrastructure? This is Thomas from SoftServe. Core banking replacement projects are costly and high risk. Another option would be to muddle along and don't get caught. A third way, however, involves a phased migration to a platform that enables a new layering of APIs which can drive new services but also allows access to vital data embedded in the old system. And it's quite exciting to see that there is a growing appetite for the third option. In conjunction with the usage of cloud-based services, in our Finextra research, 43% of the respondents said that improving their online experience is a core part of their strategic commitment. And more importantly, they do seem to be setting aside meaningful budgets to do this, as 39% of them said it is a priority to make more significant investments in customer user experience. So let's have a look what other insights our survey has to offer. Thank you for having a look.